Who says you need chicken or mutton for a delicious korma? Today on Ranna Roshmita, we are creating a velvety aloo chole white korma using simple wholesome ingredients like potatoes and chickpeas. Let's just dive in. Heat some refined oil in a pan or a kadhai over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, temper it with a stick of cardamom, few green cardamoms, cloves, a bay leaf, a couple of dried red chilies, and a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Let the spices sizzle for a few seconds to release the aromatic oils and infuse the oil with irresistible flavors. Then add chopped onions to the pan along with a pinch of salt to speed up the cooking process. A quick tip here: cook the onions only until they turn translucent. Since this is a white korma, we want to avoid browning them. Then add ginger paste and garlic paste and cook them until the raw smell disappears. Then add poppy seed paste and fresh coconut paste for a luscious velvety gravy along with a couple of split green chilies for the touch of heat that balances beautifully with the creaminess of the korma. Fry the mixture for about a minute to remove the rawness of the paste and then pour in the water and bring it to a first boil. Now add boiled potatoes which are cut into chunks. Mash a couple of pieces of potatoes into the gravy if you prefer a thicker consistency. Along with this, add soaked and boiled chickpeas and season with salt to taste. Bring the gravy back to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover and let it simmer for 12 minutes. This allows the flavor to melt beautifully and the oil to separate from the gravy. Give it a stir and scrape the sides and bottom to prevent from sticking. Finish by adding fresh mint leaves, a fragrant and refreshing alternative to coriander. Stir and cook for another minute before turning off the heat. Your aloo chole white korma is now ready to be served. Pair it with hot pooris, steamed rice or crispy parathas for a comforting and flavorful meal. Thank you for watching and until next time, happy cooking!